हेलो एंड वेलकम। मैं हूं करण और मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूं आपके चहीते स्टार्स के स्ट्रगल से स्टारडम तक की कहानी सेल्फी पे। आज हम एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस की सेल्फी दिखाने जा रहे हैं जिसका हिंदी फिल्मों से एक्चुअली हिंदुस्तान से दूर दूर तक कोई कनेक्शन नहीं। A self-made woman whose only connection to India was that उनके dad हिंदुस्तान से। That's right. We're talking about the one, the only, Katrina Kaif.
I was really passionate about wanting to be first a model, then wanting to come into films. Almost every day was like a challenge to me, and every day was like a new beginning. It was like a new obstacle almost.
कैटरीना की जो शुरू की जो परफॉर्मेंस थी, परफॉर्मेंस का एक लेवल अनुराग बासु चाहते थे, वो उनमें दूर दूर तक नजर नहीं आती थी।
सलमान भाई की गर्लफ्रेंड के नाम से उसे हम जानते थे।
So sad at that moment. I came home and I cried and I cried and I cried and I thought it was the end of my life. First and most prominent one for me was with Saya, because I had been really signed for it, and then I was replaced. Many films that I actually, the conversations happened and then it fell through, or I was replaced, or I wanted to do the film and I didn't get the film. Many in the beginning of my career, many times it happened.
और ये जर्नी शुरू हुई बहुत ही मायूसियों और नाकामियों के। पहली फिल्म बूम। इंडस्ट्री को इस फिल्म से बहुत सी उम्मीदें थी, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बूम के रिलीज के बाद ये फिल्म नाकाम साबित हुई। लेकिन अभी इससे भी बड़ी मायूसी का सामना करना बाकी है।
I have one very strong memory of my interaction with Bhatt Sahab, Mahesh Bhatt Sahab, he had cast me in a film called Saya, and Saya was directed by Anurag Basu. And I remember I was signed for the film, and then they had called me and said that think that it's not going to happen and we're going to replace you.
और हाँ, उसमें हमने पहले कैटरीना कैफ को चुना था। कैटरीना की जो शुरू की जो परफॉर्मेंस थी, उन दिनों में वो यकीनन रॉ थी और एक वेस्टर्न स्पेस से आई थी, तो जिस किस्म का एक परफॉर्मेंस का एक लेवल अनुराग बासु चाहते थे, वो उनमें दूर दूर तक नजर नहीं आती थी। तो ये हुआ कि हमने एक आध दिन की शायद शूटिंग की, फिर अनुराग मेरे पास आए, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं इस शख्स के साथ में, इस हीरोइन के साथ में वो काम कर नहीं पाऊंगा जिसकी मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन है। तो मैंने कहा फिर आप ग्रेसफुली उनसे जाके कहिए और फिर म्यूचुअली आप लोग रिजॉल्व कीजिए, और फिर वैसा ही हुआ।
ये बात सही है, और मैं ये ब्लेम ये नहीं करूंगा कि मेरा डिसीजन नहीं था। मुझसे जब पूछा गया तब मैं भी शेकी था। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि मैं अपना हाथ धो रहा हूँ इस डिसीजन से। मैं आई वॉज पार्ट ऑफ दिस डिसीजन, जिसका आई वॉज डायरेक्टर, एंड भट्ट साहब ऑलवेज हैज़ गिवन मी द, इवन दो इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट फिल्म, भट्ट साहब हैज़ ऑलवेज गिवन मी द स्पेस, एंड ही इज़ वेरी डेमोक्रेटिक दैट वे दैट ही talks to people before big decision, and I had reservations with her Hindi. With whatever dialogue she had in the film, I had some reservations, which I will not lie to you. That time भी सब मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं था, मतलब हम मुझसे हिंदी बात ही नहीं कर पाते थे। इस बात का मुझे हमेशा से रिग्रेट रहा है, और इसीलिए मतलब जब भी मुझे मौका मिला, इनफैक्ट मुझे पता है बर्फी में जब पहली बार जब बर्फी प्लान करा था, मैं इलियाना के रोल के लिए कैटरीना के पास गया था, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक इट राइट, विच इज ये गलत हुआ है और मैं उस वक्त इसे रोक नहीं पाया, और मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और मेरे पास इतनी ताकत नहीं थी और हिम्मत भी नहीं थी कि मैं उसे रोक पाऊँ उस वक्त।
And I remember being so sad at that moment. I came home and I cried and I cried and I cried and I thought it was the end of my life, and then of course it wasn't the end of my life, and life went on, and I think that's destiny had something else for me in mind, and these are the fun parts when you look back and you remember. I never took rejection too hard because I guess I didn't have a sense of entitlement. I had a desire for it, but I didn't feel that it should be mine. You may want it, but I took it with
were you
pinch of
patient
salt.
enough? आप पेशेंट थे चीज़ों को लेकर के, नहीं ठीक है कुछ और आ जाएगा, और were you impatient कि नहीं काम नहीं आ रहा है और आना चाहिए?
No, I think I was patient. I think I always saw that, okay, you know, there's also no rush, right? When you don't feel that rush. So you keep trying. You don't become lazy. You keep trying and you keep looking and focusing for the next thing. But I didn't feel any rush. I think I was sensible that way.
Suresh Productions gave her the first break for a big first commercial film, Malleshwari. उसमें कैरेक्टर सिर्फ कैटरीना करता है. Because she played the role of a princess, and it is not easy for her because coming from a modeling background to act in a commercial film like that. But right from day one, we could see that she was very clear in what she wanted, and she was very determined and very hardworking. So it was no surprise that today she's become one of the most successful. First film, she was very new and very raw to the Telugu language, so dialogue में थोड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि तेलुगु लैंग्वेज बहुत डिफिकल्ट. So सब डायलॉग्स लिख के पढ़ के बोलना बहुत मुश्किल है. Well, I was always there for her if she needed any help, and because it was a very important role for her, and it was very important that she performs really well in the film.
जब कटरीना पहली बार मुंबई तो उनके साथ उनका कोई नहीं, ना दोस्त ना रिश्तेदार. All she had with her were her ambitions and her dreams.
आइए अब समय की घड़ी को करते हैं 14 साल पीछे. कहां से आई थी ये लड़की, क्या था इनका वजूद? कहने को तो बचपन में कटरीना का हिंदुस्तान से कोई खास कनेक्शन नहीं था, पर देखा जाए तो कटरीना के अंदर ही एक मुकम्मल हिंदुस्तान की तस्वीर थी, और आज भी है. कटरीना के पिता इस्लाम धर्म को मानते हैं और माँ क्रिश्चियन है. कटरीना की माँ ने बचपन से ही उनमें सभी धर्मों के संस्कार दिए थे. आज भी अपनी हर फिल्म की रिलीज से पहले कटरीना सिद्धि विनायक मंदिर में माथा टेकने, माउंट मेरी चर्च में कैंडल जलाने और दरगाह शरीफ पर दुआ मांगने जाती हैं.
I've always been super close to my mother, primarily also because my mother and my father separated when I was very young, so I was close to my mother because she was the only parent I had, and I always have been, and that I think will always remain. And my mother's a very, very wonderful person and a very calm person, and you have met us, you know. But I didn't used to sit and say, Mama, I want to be this. I think in my head I've always been very quiet about my dreams and my ambitions. So if I had something, a passion or a goal in my mind, I would want to quietly work towards it and then say, Mom, this is what happened, you know, or this is what I've got, or this is what I've achieved, rather than say, this is what I want to achieve and then sit here dreaming, you know. So I've always been more of a person to quietly know what I would like and then go about silently trying to get it done.
14 साल की उम्र में मॉडलिंग करना, इट्स लाइक वेरी यंग, बहुत छोटी थी वो दिन. मैं जानना चाहूंगी.
I've moved throughout my childhood. I grew up in a lot of countries, and we moved because of the nature of my mother's work. And so probably around 15, I probably got my first kind of modeling assignment.
मॉडलिंग चल रही थी, पैसे भी ठीक ठाक थे, लेकिन जैसे कोई मंजिल नहीं दिखाई दे रही थी. पर वो इस बात से बेखबर थी कि मंजिल की नजर उस पर थी. लंदन की एक हसीन शाम, फिल्म मेकर कैजाद गुस्ताद ने जब अपने होटल की खिड़की खोली तो उनकी नजर पड़ी एक लंबी और बेहद खूबसूरत लड़की पर, जो एक आलीशान गाड़ी से उतरकर होटल की ओर बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली चली जा रही थी. बकौल कैजाद गुस्ताद, उन्होंने उसी वक्त तय कर लिया कि वो इस लड़की को अपनी फिल्म बूम में कास्ट करेंगे, पद्म लक्ष्मी और सुपर मॉडल मधु सप्रे के साथ. 17 साल की उम्र में कटरीना टर्किट ने भारत में कदम रखा. फिर हुई जद्दोजहद नाम को लेकर. आयशा श्रॉफ और कैजाद की मां ने तो कटरीना टर्किट को कटरीना कैफ का नाम इन दोनों ने दिया है, लेकिन इस बात को कटरीना ने कभी खुले तौर पर नहीं माना है। शायद वो मानती हैं कि नाम में क्या रखा है।
The real start of my career happened when I came to Mumbai. So I was 17 when I came. So that was when I really started. I remember my first photo shoot with Atul Kazbekar.
मैं दिल्ली जा रहा था एक फ्लाइट पे और कैजाद मेरे बगल में बैठे थे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये लड़की है, आप इनसे ज़रूर मिलिएगा। तो आई सेड हाँ, दैट वाज दैट। एक हफ्ते बाद उसका फ़ोन आया कि अरे यू डिडंट कॉल हर अप। आई सेड कॉल हु? सो ही सेड दैट कटरीना कैफ। आई सेड हु इज दैट? सो ही सेड रिमेंबर दैट गर्ल आई टोल्ड यू। हम जब फ्लाइट पे थे तो मैंने कहा हाँ ऐसा है, कॉल। तो एक हफ्ता और हुआ और आई स्टिल हैडंट कॉल्ड। सो फाइनली आई सेड ओके यार वो इतना कह रहा है तो आई मेक कॉन्टैक्ट। तो मैंने फ़ोन की और ये मोबाइल फ़ोन के पहले था थोड़ा बहुत आई थिंक, और एटलीस्ट शी डिडंट हैव मोबाइल फ़ोन बिकॉज वो रह रही थी लैंड्स एंड में, शी हैड नो आइडिया हाउ टू कम। तो मैंने बोला मैं बैंड्रा में हूँ, आई विल कम एंड मीट यू। तो आई मेट हर और व्हेन आई सॉ हर आई एम लाइक ओ माय गॉड, यू नो दिस गर्ल इज़ रियली ब्यूटीफुल। सो उसी टाइम पे मैं मैट्रिक्स नाम की कंपनी स्टार्ट कर रहा था विद 2 अदर पार्टनर्स। तो आई इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हर टू द मेन पार्टनर हु वाज हैंडलिंग दिस सेक्शन, रेशमा शेट्टी। रेशमा एंड आई टुक अ लुक एट हर एंड शी वाज लाइक शी इज़ ग्रेट। सो यू नो सो वी साइंड हर ऑन। आई थिंक वो शायद हमारी पहली या दूसरी क्लाइंट थी।
And he was clicking, taking some pictures, and then he called me to the side and he said, Katrina, you look like you can be a model and it's amazing, but it's not translating in the pictures, And that was the first time that I kind of understood that, okay, I have to figure this out. So he was telling me that, looking one way is one thing, but you have to be able to convey or to, know how to carry a garment or carry the clothes in a picture. And so then I realized slowly, okay, you have to learn, you have to see pictures in magazines, you have to understand how to move for the camera.
2003 में we were doing the Kingfisher calendar. Actually it was for 2003, तो यानी कि 2002 में शूट हो रही थी और हम लोग गए थे मॉरिशस। बहुत कोशिश की उसके साथ, इस एंगल में उस एंगल में, यहाँ पे वहाँ पे, एंड नथिंग वाज वर्किंग। तो मैं बहुत ही फ्रस्ट्रेटेड था और फिर रात को डिनर के लिए बैठे थे और मैंने देखा कि एक पूरी डिनर प्लेट में, डिजर्ट प्लेट में नहीं, डिनर प्लेट में इसने बहुत सारा डिजर्ट रखा था। एंड माई प्रॉब्लम वाज कि बहुत मोटी थी वो। मोटी मीन नॉट स्विमसूट शेप, शी वाज इन शेप बट शी वाज नॉट इन स्विमसूट शेप। यू बी वेरी फिट, किसी भी एंगल से शूट करूँ इट वाजंट फ्लैटरिंग। तो आई वाज सो अपसेट, आई स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग एट द डिनर टेबल, व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू? एक तो होल डे आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग to do a picture with you and you're eating dessert, और एक पीस भी नहीं, one whole dinner plate full of dessert, ये चीज़ के गुलाब जामुन ये वो whatever जो था वहाँ पे उसने पूरे डिनर प्लेट पे लाके दबा रही थी। तो she started crying. It's quite funny, but I think उस कैलेंडर का फ़ायदा उसको बहुत हुआ क्योंकि पहला जो उसका एक ही शॉट था कैलेंडर में और she was on a horse. Basically we hid most of her body on the other side of the horse और सिर्फ one hand and one leg was showing in the picture, but it worked out really good.
मॉडलिंग से शुरू हुआ ग्लैमर तक का सफर। ब्यूटी, हाइट, कंप्लेक्शन, हर तरह से एक परफेक्ट मॉडल कटरीना, और शैल आई से ड्रीम मॉडल। यू नो व्हाट, ड्रीम मॉडल्स को भी कभी कभी रिजेक्शन का नाइटमेयर देखना पड़ता है।
तो वो दिन याद है जब नेम प्लेट लेकर मॉडलिंग के लिए आप उस कतार में खड़ी थी। कैन यू शेयर सम मोमेंट्स?
Absolutely. I think I think those moments. I don't look back as those moments were lonely, and today I'm not lonely. I do think I've always you do go through life on your own at the end of the day, and I've always been very quite an introvert actually, which doesn't seem like it because I'm an actress, but I'm always within my head. So even in those moments, I was not alone. Today, I'm not alone. Those were beautiful moments for me as well. I remember at that time. I think it was Famous Studios, which was the very common place for most of the models to go for auditions. So I would go to Famous Studios for whatever ad it would be, soap ad or it could be a beverage or something like that. And you have to act out, a fake act what the ad is going to be. And I was really lucky. I got.
Do you remember any of the act जो आपको करने के लिए बोला गया?
Well, I won't mention the ads which I did because, you know, those were long ago. But I can tell you about the ad which I didn't get.
लोग सोचेंगे कि अच्छा ये भी किया था, अच्छा ये भी किया था, कटरीना कैफ ने ये किया था. I mean, that's like, those are the moments we
Those ads are ones which we all know about. They're not ads which are not in our memory. They were good ads which we'll see on TV for. The one which I didn't get selected for at that time, I remember, was an ad where I had to play kabaddi because I had no idea what kabaddi was and I didn't know what I was doing in the audition. So I remember that being the one ad where they're like, yes, thank you very much, bye-bye. No, not this time.
अब तक थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस तो आ चुका था, मॉडल के तौर पर इंडस्ट्री में पैर जम भी चुके थे। ऐसे में कटरीना ने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक आध म्यूजिक वीडियो भी कर लिया जाए।
I remember once doing a music video, which was one of the first things I ever did, you know, on TV, which was directed by Mahesh Mathai, who later became opened his own ad agency, became a very big person.
For a tough shoot, she says yes, absolutely anything, and we went to Kutch. I don't know if you know where the salt flats of Kutch, और वहाँ मतलब एयरलाइन में फ्लाइट्स तो नहीं है, और हम सब चले पूरा यूनिट लेके ट्रेन में चले विद कटरीना एंड camped out in the tough conditions that she was a good sport and willing to do whatever was required, and I had to change my mind about her just being a soft English girl who was coming out to make it in the Hindi movies, as she called it.
I think it was based, like the story was a bit like Here Ranja. So I think that was the concept of the video, and we shot in Bhuj for that. And I remember everyone, like the whole unit, hair and makeup, everyone was like had crammed into this one little, you know, bungalow in the middle of the desert, and those were fun days. You know, I always remember them.
She said, "I'm learning how to dance from Gopi Krishna. I'm learning Hindi from there was a Hindi, as she called it, and I'm going to make it in Bollywood." Now, that's confidence. That's she wasn't asking what is the way to make it. She said, I'm going to make it, and that's one key difference between, I mean, I've shot with lots and some have become big stars too, but she knew she was going to make it. Well, she was a great sport. I mean, ये जो फिल्म में है एक underwater shot था, and I was a little worried कि ये कर पाएगी कि नहीं, और attempt भी करेगी कि नहीं, और complete sport came out and just jumped in the water, and I hope she's still like that.
और कहते हैं लाइफ में आपके सबसे सच्चे और सबसे पक्के दोस्त वो होते हैं जो आपका साथ उस वक्त है जब आप कुछ कटरीना की जिंदगी उन्हें सीन मोड़ पर लाए, जहां उन्हें ऐसे ही कुछ दोस्त मिलने वाले।
इंडिया आप अकेली आई थी, क्या आपको लगा था कि यहाँ आने के बाद मैं क्या करूंगी? मतलब व्हाट वाज देयर इन योर थॉट? क्या करूंगी, किससे मिलूंगी, कौन मिला आपको?
You know, I think when you're young, you're very fearless, and that's why I think most people do adventurous. Yes, I think most people do these crazy adventurous things when they're young. For me, I always had a great sense of belonging because of you know of my father being from here and me wanting to connect to where my father was from. Perhaps not growing up, you know, around my father made me kind of feel that need to see it in some way, to see it kind of in some way tangible. It was something which was always there in my mind. And when I came to Mumbai when I was a teenager, it instantly felt like home to me, and it instantly felt like the place which I wanted to be. And there was no sense of a new place, of discovery. It was almost like I had come home. And I knew in my heart that this is where I would be, and I just think it was a connection. It was a connection which was there, and it was, you know, meant to be.
खुश होंगे आपकी इन कहानियों को सुनकर, इंस्पायर होंगे।
Anaida was just one of the first people who I met, and then who I started working with much later.
जब कटरीना पहले इंडिया आई थी तो I got a phone call from फारूक चौटिया, जो हमारे कंट्री के बहुत ही मशहूर फोटोग्राफर है, कि you know there's this model and I think you know आप उनको पसंद करेगी. So I was sitting in my office and you know I got a call saying there's a girl to see you, and in walked Katrina. Extremely fresh, there was a freshness, एक बहुत ही अनोखा energy था उसमें जो which I was extremely attracted to instantly. और वो बहुत ही फ्री थी, वो उसके साथ कोई भी बैगेज नहीं था कि मॉडल ऐसे रहना चाहिए या पतले रहना चाहिए. She was a good, beautiful girl.
क्या उन्होंने कहा कि अच्छा you were walking just like that, shorts and t-shirt टी शर्ट पहनकर आप उनसे मिली थी, तो उन्होंने शायद आपको कल्चर के बारे में बताया कि इंडियन कल्चर क्या, इस तरीके से आप जाओगे, आप इतना रॉ नहीं, आपको ढलना पड़ेगा इंडियन कल्चर में, ऐसा कुछ था?
No, I don't think it's a culture thing. Today I see so many. Today I see the girls who come to my house. I'm the one telling them, ये मत पहनो, इतना छोटा shorts क्यों पहन रहे हैं, ऐसे घूम रहे हैं. So it's not.
You do that?
Yeah, because they come in short shorts. I think it's an age thing. I think that, you know, when you're 16, when you're 17, you do roam around like that in short shorts, and they like that. And I think it's more about people looking at you because you're known. You know, when you're a recognizable face, you need to. I think you know, people are looking at you that much closer, and you want to be dressed a little bit more covered. I think that's just naturally something which happens.
फिर मैं सोचने लगी कि मैं उसे किस तरह के शूट में डाल सकती हूँ, एंड वैसे ही हमारा सफ़र शुरू हुआ था. उसके बाद तो हम वोग के लिए काफ़ी कवर्स कर चुके हैं, हम काफ़ी फिल्म्स में भी साथ में हम काम कर चुके हैं. लेकिन आई थिंक द वन थिंग अबाउट कटरीना दैट आई विल ऑलवेज फील एंड टेक बैक इज़ दैट शी इज़ अ वेरी जेन्युइन पर्सन. जो वो सोचती है वो बोलती है, वो ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती है, लेकिन उसका दिल सही जगह में है. और आई थिंक जो बहुत से लोग नहीं जानते हैं, उसका एक्सटीरियर बहुत ही टफ है, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो बहुत ही सिंपल सेंसिटिव यंग गर्ल है.
कटरीना की खास दोस्त अलवीरा खान अग्निहोत्री ने जब उन्हें अपने सुपरस्टार भाई से एक पार्टी में मिलवाया, तो उन दोनों के बीच एक इंस्टेंट फ्रेंडशिप हो.
मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी कि अनायटा, रेशमा शेट्टी एंड अलवीरा, आप इन तीनों से आप इस तरह से कनेक्ट हुई, अलग अलग लेवल पे कनेक्ट हुई. अलवीरा से आप कनेक्ट हुई स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पर. कैसी थी, मतलब जब पहली बार मिली या किस तरीके से आप उनसे मिली?
I met Alvira first at a step class, which is a kind of a group exercise class that I had gone to in Bandra. And I remember everyone was very coordinated because, you know, step is almost a little bit like a dance. So everyone was used to it, and I was new, and I was always facing the wrong way and going the wrong direction. And Alvira was always I remember just a very sweet look on her face. She was like, no, you know, turn around, go the other way. And she was just always I think we connected right away instantly. Reshma obviously was working at that time with Atul Kazbekar. They were working together, and that was they were like the first agency with which I signed up with Matrix, who who really gave me that first support and that, you know, finding my grounding and having, you know,
understand
connection.
This film world, actually.
More modeling world than film world. Film world came a little later.
हिंदी जिसकी जद्दोजहद हमेशा रही है, लेकिन कटरीना के बारे में ये कहा जाता है कि उन्होंने ना सिर्फ हिंदी सीखा बल्कि अब तो देवनागरी भी आप पढ़ सकती हो ना?
No, I always could speak. I mean, I always could read Devanagari. Actually, that was the first thing I learned to do. I had to obviously work on my language a lot, but I still don't converse in Hindi when I speak in an interview. But in real life, I converse only in Hindi with all the people around me, which is very strange. And people are always asking me, so the camera gets cut, and then I have long conversations with the people, the staff, whoever's around me, the people on set.
हिंदी सीखने में किसने सबसे ज़्यादा मदद की यहाँ पर?
My Hindi tutor, a gentleman called Mohit sir, who unfortunately is no longer with us today. But yeah, saw him every day for a long time, for many years. He would come and sit and work with me and help me.
हालांकि ये मौका मुझे काफ़ी सालों के बाद मिला, क्योंकि वो पिछले 10-11 साल से हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हैं. जब मैं पहली बार उनके पास गई, तो जब मैंने बात की तो उन्होंने इतना अच्छा पढ़ा कि मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मुझे कोई ज़रूरत है. लेकिन पर्टिकुलर कुछ उर्दू के वर्ड्स थे जिनकी वजह से उनको प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. जब भी मैं क्लास करने जाती थी तो वो ऑलरेडी अपनी स्क्रिप्ट्स लेकर के बैठी होती थी और ऑलरेडी पढ़ रही होती थी.
अगर हिंदी फिल्मों में हीरोइन बनने के लिए हिंदी जानना ज़रूरी है, तो उससे कई ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है देसी या फिल्मी डांस जानना. अब कटरीना को ये सीख किसने दी और कैसे दी, ये बताएंगी खुद हमें कटरीना.
Use use the dance properly, how to make it work for me. I think I always was scared of it, so I was afraid to approach the dance. First or second South film I did in Telugu. We were doing a song in Thailand or something, me and Venkatesh, and the choreographer Raju Sundaram was pulling out his hair, and he was saying that this girl is zero, she can't dance, what is she doing, she doesn't know what she's doing. And I remember that happening, and you know, the funny thing is I remember not feeling bad, because I remember thinking he's probably saying something because I'm not doing something right. Had I been a trained dancer and someone is saying you're not doing something right, I probably would have taken offense. Like today, if someone says it, I'll probably think, okay, what is it that I'm doing wrong? I can correct that. But I remember that I didn't start crying or get upset or anything like that. I just thought, okay, there must be something to what he's saying. I need to understand this a bit better. So I became very conscious of it. I was doing Just Chill with Farah Khan. She was choreographing the song Just Chill. And then after that, I think it just became a passion for me. And I realized that inside me, I did have that passion. That was a passion. And you need people to help you unlock your passion sometime and help you understand that. And Bosco was another very important person. In Race, I remember there was a song, Touch Me, Touch Me.
It's not going anywhere. Like if this is what we have to shoot, then I think it's going to be one of the worst songs we might do. And that really hit her. And she's like, she thought that she was performing like she had everything. Usko lag raha tha ki uske moves ekdam correct hai, and she was like waiting for me to react in a certain way that she wanted. And then the way I reacted offset her completely. उसको ऐसा लगा कि यार ये हुआ means ये हुआ कि हम लोग 4 बजे से रिहर्सल कर रहे, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं तेरा धड़कन तेरी ये दिन तेरे रातें तेरी अब बचा क्या, अब बचा क्या, हर घड़ी खुद से ही मैं करता रहूं बातें तेरी. But obviously the dancers were not dancing wrongly, so you guys ka matlab means me. And then he was, I think, a little upset at the dancer who was teaching me. He was putting the blame also onto them. So he said that if this is the best you guys can do, then I'm going to have to just think about it quickly tonight, because tomorrow I can't shoot the song like this. So I said, like what's happening? I said, why? He's like, so the signature step of Touch Me, Touch Me was like a body wave. Yeah. And he's like, so then I realized that now he had started. He was serious, but now I had to figure out what was the problem. So he said, that hook step was a wave, and there's no wave. I don't see any wave. So I was like, okay. So he said, here's what we're going to do. We're going to work on each step, and we're going to polish it all night if we have to until we get it right, okay? I said, okay. So he said to the other dancers, you guys all go have dinner break. And I remember being very hungry. Like, you go have dinner break, Katrina, you stand here. And you and Raka, who is this other dancer, you're going to work on one step. So I remember he put me and Raka against the wall. And he was like, this is how you learn to do wave. Each part, your head, your shoulder, the mid back, lower back, all has to touch the wall. So you stand there and you do this wave until everything touches the wall smoothly. And I remember me and Raka against the wall like that, going, okay, is it right? And he broke down every step like that in the song. और वो करते गई काफी घंटों तक करते गई. And I think that's what has paid off.
I mean, I understood more comprehensively that, this is the way you have to approach dance. You have to get the movement in your body and then express it in the way which you want to and make it work for you.
Welcome back. हम बात कर रहे थे कटरीना के करियर के सबसे हसीन मोमेंट, उनकी फर्स्ट बिग ब्रेक.
स्ट्रगल के दौरान ही अलवीरा खान अग्निहोत्री ने एक पार्टी में कटरीना को मिलाया अपने सुपरस्टार भाई सलमान खान से. मुलाकात दोस्ती में बदली और बहुत जल्द कटरीना खान परिवार का एक अहम हिस्सा बन गई.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया कि सक्सेस कटरीना को ए लिस्टर्स के बीच लाकर खड़ा तो किया, लेकिन वहां आकर उन्हें ये रियलाइज हुआ कि उन्हें अभी भी बहुत कुछ सीखना बाकी.
There was no one moment, because for me, I was looking at a career. So you can't. At that point, you don't have one moment which is, in your head. I came here to work as a model, so the people I met at that time were the photographers. So whether it was Atul Kazbekar or Farooq, who then introduced me to Anita Shroff, who then later, became a friend of mine and has done so many films with me.
कटरीना ने ऐसी कहानी सुनाई है, कितने कम पैसे लेके बॉम्बे आई थी.
और उनका पैसे ख़त्म होने वाला था और उनको फिल्म मिल गई। आफ्टर मैंने प्यार क्यों किया साइन के बाद में सलमान भाई के आने के बाद से तो उन्होंने मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई चीज़ को फेस किया होगा।
I think for me that started with मैंने प्यार क्यों किया, or maybe from that a bit हमको दीवाना कर गई। Sarkar, my role was very small, so even though it was a wonderful role, it was very, very limited. हमको दीवाना कर गई, I think I remember that was the first thing that people started to say, okay, that you're seeming like you belong in this. I think initially I didn't quite, I wasn't so comfortable. So I think from Humko Deewana I was slowly where I think I started, okay, slowly understanding this world.
जब बच्चे छोटे होते और चलना सीखते हैं तो माँ बाप उनकी उंगली पकड़ के चलना सिखाते हैं, खड़े रहना सिखाते हैं, तो ये सब चीज़ सलमान भाई ने उनको सिखाया है और रही कई बाकी कसरे अक्षय कुमार ने सिखाए उनको।
आपने ये भी कहा कि फिल्मों के बारे में अपने सलमान से बहुत कुछ सीखा कि द वे ही हैज़ बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर सो लॉन्ग, फिल्मों को जिस तरीके से वो समझते हैं वो भी एक इन्फ्लुएंस था लाइफ में फिल्मों को समझने के लिए।
Definitely. I mean, all the senior people who I worked with in the beginning of my career, you would be a very foolish person to not observe them, So obviously, when you're working with Salman, you're going to observe what he's doing. He's such a huge star. He's done so many films. Govinda was one of the first people I was working with, and that was though far beyond my comprehension because his improvisation and his fluency is just it's amazing to watch.
बहुत ईमानदार है वो with she is very hard working and बहुत अदब से जो आर्टिस्ट रहते हैं ज़्यादातर मैंने देखा है कि वो लोग बहुत कामयाब हो जाते हैं, तो उसका ख्याल इधर उधर भटकता नहीं है, काम में लगी रहती है, वो मुझे लगता है उस पर वर्क कर गया।
Anil ji actually was one of the first people, Anil Kapoor and Humko Deewana, to tell me that, Katrina, what are you doing? So I said, we were waiting for a shot between a take. And I said, I'm walking up and down and waiting. And he's like, why are you not rehearsing your lines? I said, I know my lines. And he said, yeah, but have you rehearsed them again? And I said, yeah. Have you rehearsed them again? I said, no, go rehearse them. So, he was the first person to really, you see his passion even today. I'm sure you've interacted with Anil ji.
जो रट्टाफिकेशन उनका इतना टचवुड इतना मजबूत है उनका कि वो 2-2, 3-3 अनिल कपूर के डायलॉग फंस जाते थे, उनके वजह से रिटेक होता था। अक्षय कुमार के डायलॉग फंस जाते थे, उनके वजह से रिटेक होता, लेकिन कटरीना के वजह से कभी रिटेक नहीं हुआ।
If you make a mistake on one day, or if your concentration lapses on one day, your passion is not there on one day, that can have very long-term consequences. So there are very few moments in my life that I see as, okay, this was the mark, this was the mark. I actually see my journey a little bit like a mountain, where it's each one step at a time. It's a culmination of lots of little things, so whether it's a good song, whether it's a hit song, my first big hit song, which was, Just Chill, Sing is King, Welcome, Partner. I mean, there were,
New York, one of my favorite.
New York, yeah. So New York again was a big, there's so many big steps for me. New York was definitely one of the films that I would say was a big step for me. From the beginning, it was something where almost every day was like a challenge to me, and every day was like a new
beginning.
It was like a new obstacle almost. I think I'm a person who thrives and who I thrive, I think, on challenge, and I think I do best when I'm challenged.
चाहे वो मॉडलिंग हो या हिंदी से, डांस हो या डायलॉग लिस्ट, कटरीना ने अपने डिटर्मिनेशन और विल पावर के साथ ऐसी ऊंचाइयां छू कि दुनिया देखती रही। शायद उनका जिंदगी में यही कि जिंदगी मिलेगी ना तो। Well, on this note, this is Karan Singh Grover signing off, और मैं आपसे वादा करता हूँ कि मैं आपको फिर मिलूंगा अगले हफ्ते एक और स्टार, एक और स्ट्रगल और एक और सेल्फी।